welcome back to my channel. I apologize if I still sound sick. I actually ended up having COVID, so I only got one video out this past week, but it's okay. I will give it to myself. So we're doing our November reset today, and yeah, let's get right into this. Let's start off, I'm just gonna put on some basic makeup for today. And honestly, I wanted to show you this product. This is from Wonder Beauty, Sightseer Vitamin Concentrate, whatever this is. I don't know, but I feel like this makes my skin feel so smooth. So we're gonna put on some just basic makeup, and then we're going to do my goals. Look at my goals I had last month, make some new goals, maybe clean a little bit, and do some content planning for the next month. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm also trying out a primer I don't usually use.
If it seems I don't care at all, that your love hit me like a cannonball. I used to worry about my options, yeah, I used to think too much, I think too much, but with you I forget my worries, behind me they can't touch me now, yeah, that's how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down when you're not around. This is love.
Okay, so now we're going to be doing our goal planning thing. So first let's have a look at our October goals. I'm gonna be honest, I did not do very good this month with my goals, but this was my first month kind of doing this, and I think I have a better idea of what type of goals to make now. So yeah, moving forward, I think we're gonna be doing better with our goals, but this month wasn't so great. Okay, so our first one was to read at least 2 books, and I have read 1 book, and honestly, it's only the 28th. So I still have a few more days, and I just had a book come in the mail today. So I'm gonna leave this one blank for now because I think I can finish another book before the month ends. Reach 350 subscribers. We did not do that, but we might shoot for that this coming up month. Full skincare routine every Sunday. I did not do that, but I want to make that another goal again this coming up month. Stay consistent with YouTube. Yes. Finish strong with classes. If I'm being honest, no, I did not. But I have so much trouble doing that. Start strong with classes. My classes just started this week, and I was getting over COVID this week, so it was a little bit hard. I wasn't in my normal routine, but I'm gonna give it to myself because even with being sick, I think I did okay. I would have done better if I wasn't sick and was in my normal routine, but I'll give it to myself since I was sick, and I still, 2 videos a week. I did do that except for this past week because I had COVID. I only had posted 1, so I'm gonna give that to myself because other than that, I did do that. And start Bible journaling. Honestly, I did not do this. I have been off my game, so I do want to start doing that though still. Books to read. I did read The Housemaid by Frida McFadden, and we'll look at that in a minute. So now we're just going to be writing down our November goals. Oh my gosh, excuse me. So I did 3 little categories. Well, this one's not really goals. This is just to do. We have social media, personal, and then just kind of a to-do thing. So let's start off by just writing all of these down. So just talking about these goals, we have currently 325 subscribers on YouTube. So we're gonna hit for 340. And I think I have 189 watch hours, so I'm going to strive for 230 Instagram followers. I'm gonna try and get 2,000. I think I'm 10 away from 2,000. I want to post twice a week on Instagram. I really have not been consistent on there at all, and I really need to be. And I want to continue posting twice a week on YouTube, and then I want to get at least 15 TikTok followers, because I just now started up another TikTok account, so I'm starting fresh on there, and I want to try and get more followers on there. Personal, start Bible journaling. I talked about that last month and I never got to it, and that sounds horrible. Like, I really need to make time for God in my life more than I am, so that needs to be important. Read 2 books. Yeah, I just need to order some because I don't have really any here. Work out at least twice a week. I am somebody who does not take care of their body as much as they should. I don't ever work out or anything like that, so I'm going to start small so that it's not overwhelming, and just at least twice a week do something. Skincare routine every week. We're going to do it every week, instead of having it have to be on a Sunday. I just want to do like a full, face mask, all that stuff once a week. And I want to not get behind in my classes. That is something that I've been doing good about pretty much. I might skip an assignment here and there, but I don't do that very often at all. And then we just have a couple of to-dos. I need to order myself some more contacts. I need to make sure my husband and I have all the clothes that we need for vacation, because we're going to be going up to Gatlinburg at the end of this month, and we need stuff for colder weather. And then I need to plan for our vacation and figure out exactly what all that we are doing. And then I need to definitely start Christmas shopping. I should have already, but you know how that goes. Okay, now let's talk about our video planning. So what we've got Thanksgiving outfit ideas, because a lot of my content lately has been mostly fashion, and that's just what's been working for my channel. But I do want to do a Thanksgiving makeup and probably a fall makeup too. Not all of these videos are set in stone, because I might do other things, and I don't know. This is just kind of a spitballing type thing. I do want to do a pack with me for Gatlinburg. I think that will be nice. And also another idea I had is glow up with me for vacation. I think that would be cool. Like, take the whole week before vacation, do some glow up things, do some really good skincare and all that. I think that would be really nice. I do have another Shein haul coming at some point. I need to place another order because there are just a couple things that I really need for vacation, and I just did another really small order, so I'm gonna just combine those into one video. Christmas gift ideas I think would be a good video. A Christmas shopping vlog maybe. I've never did a vlog and I want to try. And I also want to do like a vacation vlog, but that won't be coming out until December, because we're going at the very end of November and we're coming back like on December 1st. And then obviously a December reset. So that is our video planning for the month. At least for now, that's kind of the videos we're striving for. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. And I think I really only need 8. So, got a package. And I already know what it is, and I'm so excited. Okay, so I just got this book in the mail, and honestly, I'm a little upset because look at the size difference of it to a regular sized book. And I don't like that, but it's whatever. This is Jar of Hearts by Jennifer Hillier. And I've heard really good things about this book, so I'm going to try to finish this before Monday. And today is Friday. So, and then this book is the other book I've read this month. This is The Housemaid by Frida McFadden. I read this in like a day and a half. I definitely could have read it all in one day. It was such a quick and easy read, and it was so good. I really, really liked it. So definitely recommend this one. So yeah, this is the other one I'm going to be reading. so behind in laundry. It's not even funny. Like, Coda, you're gonna have to get down. Alright, so we're just gonna have to just start tackling this one by one. And maybe we will get somewhere eventually.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down.
Okay, now we have to go hang all of these clothes up. Alright. Okay guys, I think we're gonna leave it at that for this video. I feel like I didn't do as good on this monthly reset as I did on last one. Maybe next month I'll add some more cleaning and stuff into it. Let me know if that's what you like watching. I could definitely do some cleaning videos. I definitely need the motivation, so maybe I'll do some. But thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!